I'm gonna return that, Blue. Are you gonna help me? We have to return it to Best Buy. It's way too loud. Guys, Smart Control, GE Smart Control 7550 BTU portable air conditioner. It's kind of loud compared to the Japanese made Toshiba. Yeah, baby? Your Toshiba. Pepe has a Toshiba in her room. Yeah, baby? You gonna show me? Okay, show it. Show it to me. Show me your Toshiba. Yeah? Show me your Toshiba portable AC. Where is it, girl? Yep. There's her portable AC. Look at that. Pepe loves her portable AC. Yeah, girl? This Toshiba is super quiet compared to the GE one, which is disturbingly loud. Sorry, GE. I want to buy American made, but before all we know, that Toshiba's made in America too. And Blue does not like using this, so that was a big waste of money, but we'll keep trying. Oh. Grandma made some chili and hot dogs. Chili dogs. Then it looks like she's gonna make deep fried Oreos. Ooh, that's really good for you. I'm trying to be good and eat watermelon. And Blue, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing, sir? Are you being good, sir? Are you being good, sir? Sir? Are you being good, sir? Huh? Are you being a baby? Yes, you're being a baby. Yes, you're being a baby. No, I don't want to kiss. I don't want to kiss you. You stinky boy.